What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the GoPal retractable badge holder kit. Big shout out to the company GoPal for sending these over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So some of the features and details: this comes with 2 retractable keychains, 2 ID badge holders. It stretches out to 39 inches in length, has a stainless steel cord, supports over 15,000 stretches, has an 8-ounce weight capacity, and holds up to 5 cards. Now there's 3 ways you can use this. You can use it as a neck lanyard, retractable keychain, and retractable badge holder. Now this will be good for your school ID, security cards, employee IDs, for holding your keys, NFC card holder, and credit card holder. So those are some of the features and details. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box and get these out of the box. So here's the packaging that they come in. You guys can see everything I read there. Here's some of the uses right here that I read off already. Same thing on this side as well. And then a lot of the stuff I read off on the back right here as well. So let's go ahead and get into the packaging. Check this out. So this would have been real handy for me back when I was still working. I'm retired now, so let's get this box out of here. All right, so it just pulls out. Trolling my own self there. So, all right, guys, so let's look at what's in the packaging. So we're gonna get our clip here. So this is made out of a ABS plastic. Feels pretty solid in the hand. The carabiner is made out of aluminum. Has a nice little clip there. And then here's your stainless steel cable right there. So feels pretty solid. Here's your neck lanyard. This is how long it is. So good length on it. Quick release mechanism right there as well. And then over here, we're gonna have another clip. Now this clip will hold your ID badge to the actual unit right here. So here it is. You do have a metal ring here to help connect it right there. So let's go ahead and try that out. So what you would have to do here is just kind of force this in like this, and that's how it connects, just like that. And then of course we're going to have one of our ID badge holders. This is plastic. Does have a little bit of a logo right there, I'm assuming. And then this side is clear, that so you can see your ID of credit cards or whatever you want to put in there. So this would connect just like this. We'll go ahead and connect this, giving an idea. Now, you can use it 3 ways. Now remember that. So this is what you would have if you would want to place it on your belt. Now if you wanted to use this as a lanyard to go around your neck, then you would just take this part off, and then you would use the other part. Let's go ahead and get this loose right here. You would take this off, or you could leave this on there if you wanted to, and you would place this right here just like this, and then you would take this and connect it right here. And I'll try and put some B-roll in here to let you guys see how this looks. So this is how you would use it wearing around your neck right here, just like that. So looks complicated, but very easy. So we got the same exact setup over here. This is the same thing that I just unboxed. We get another one of these clips here. We're gonna get another badge holder, ID holder, and we also get the belt clip holder right here. Let's go ahead and get that out. And then I'm gonna demonstrate this holding some credit cards and using it with the keys as well. So this is the complete setup right here. Same exact thing. Let me get this cleared up, and then I'll show you how it looks with some credit cards and some keys. Okay guys, so we're back in. I have 3 different setups right here that you can use this possibly. I have it set up as a neck lanyard right here. So you you can take off the other parts and just connect it like this. Have your school ID or whatever identification you need to have in there. I have it on my keychain as a keychain holder. Now this has 8 ounces of resistance, so you'll be good. I have a lot of keys on here and it's holding just perfectly. And then the last setup here, you can use your ID connected to your belt right here. Now as you guys see, I have some cards in here. I have about 3 cards in here. They're not coming out very easily. And they make it very easy for you to get the cards back out. You guys can see the see-through and clear. If you want to get them out, just simply push back here, just like that, and you can easily take them out. And this is 3 cards, so it says it'll hold 5. I'm pretty sure it will hold 5, but it's very easy right there. And they're holding them in there very secure. So this is the GoPal Retractable Badge Holder Kit. I'll definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick this up. Will H, I'm out.